Page 31, the Circus. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to another symbol. It looks like a symbol you've already had. It's the curved line. A phrase is a curved line. Well, this is called a tie, and it's also a curved line. It looks exactly like a phrase, except the tie can only be between two notes, and those notes have to be the same note or the same key on the piano. You can't be different keys. It's not a tie if it's different keys. And it simply means you tie the notes together, or you play the first note but you hold it down the length of both notes. You tie them together. So let's look at the piece here. In the first line, you see they have it marked, a tie, this curved line between the two G's. Dotted half note, and the next note is a half note, G. They're tied together. So the first G gets 3 counts, the dotted half note. The second G gets 2 counts, it's a half note. Gonna hold that G down for 5 counts total. See, this is how they can get a note to last longer than the measure allows. See, in 3/4 time, the biggest note you can have is 3 counts. That's a dotted half note. You can't go beyond that. So how, if I want a note, I want to hold a note down longer than 3 counts, what do? You tie them together. And that's what they've done. Because now I can go 5 notes, or 5 beats. And that's the way that works. So you see the ties in both lines. Now we're going to do that. You simply tie them together. So it's 1, 2, 3, tie, 2. Rather than saying 1, 2, I just go tie, 2. But hopefully you understand. So other than that, you've had everything else before. So let's just try this together. You can tell by where the notes are, finger numbers, you're going to be in middle C position. And do this without looking at the keyboard, please. So I'll give us 2 counts because there is a pickup beat here. Ready, go. 1, 2, 2, 3, tie, 2. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2. 3, tie, 2, off.